The number one thing I think is to find a business where you can make $1 million. You want a
Yes.
good, strong, in-demand business, right? So the concept is like you need a hungry crowd. So whatever you are focusing on, you want demand.
Welcome to Unstoppable Podcast with Harry Sardinas, inspiring conversations with influential millionaires, investors, thought leaders, entrepreneurs who are making a massive difference with their innovative products and services, and sharing the challenges and wisdom of how they sold their first million.
How would you like to make your first million? And today we have a special guest joining from San Francisco, Ginger, which is the CEO of Golden Canyon Property. So, Ginger, tell us what are the 5 steps to make the first million?
Well, there's a million ways to make $1 million. So I will give you a blueprint that I know will work, that I've seen many of my friends do. But use your own spin. The number one thing I think is to find a business where you can make $1 million. You want a
Yes.
good, strong, in-demand business, right? So the concept is like you need a hungry crowd. So whatever you are focusing on, you want demand for what you're doing. Number two, find your strengths and work them. Number three, find a great mentor. Then find a great team, and then work your assets off.
I love this step number 5. Yeah, basically, yeah. Because Ginger, at the end of the day, to become an entrepreneur is a skill. The more you practice, the better you become, right? A lot of people are looking for shortcuts. They're looking for how to make the get rich quick schemes, right? And at the end of the day, to make a million, you do have to be an entrepreneur. Otherwise, you don't get your product market fit. And in order for you to do that, you have to develop the skill, right? So, but Ginger, I have a question for you because one out of 6 people that attend this broadcast on Unstoppable 5 step how to attend how to make your first million. 1 out of 5, 1 out of 6 people are property investors, yeah, or property entrepreneurs. So people might have the wrong assumption that wow, it's easy to make money with property, and that's why everybody's showing up in Harry's broadcast. What is the real truth behind to become a property investor? There is a lot of strategy out there, but what people nobody talks about is that when you get it wrong in property, oh boy, it's tough.
Oh boy is a good phrase. Oh boy.
and
That's
it's
exactly right.
and it's inevitable that will happen to you. Yeah. There is no way, I haven't made anyone in property yet that had done everything perfect and never got a project wrong, so it will come to you, it will happen anyway, and we're talking
Yeah.
about a lot of money when we got something wrong. So Ginger, tell us, is that easy to become a millionaire in property, investing in property?
Well, you need education, 100%.
I
You
agree.
absolutely need education. And that's why the mentor was the number two thing
I
that I
agree with
mentioned,
you 100%.
right? So no shame in working for someone. Work for someone for cheap money, work for someone for free, pay attention to everything. Work for somebody who's generous with information and who already is successful in doing what you want. And then you have a very high probability of not making the mistakes.
Oh, yeah.
So, one of the things I do, I work with a team of investors. We collaborate weekly on Zoom. Quarterly, we get it on person, and then we talk on the phone as deals come up. But this group of 40 people take down $1 billion of commercial real estate per quarter,
Wow.
and they collaborate. And that's like having a Jedi mastermind, right? A Jedi council. And so oftentimes somebody in the group will want to do something and then the gang goes, "No, don't do that because have you seen this and that and this and that and this and that?" And they're like, "Oh, no, I didn't see any of that." And so they back down or they reevaluate, they renegotiate, they do something to change the deal or kill the deal altogether. So this is like really critical. If you're out on your own, you're gonna get your knees knocked really hard, and it's going to be painful.
Follow us for more interviews with world's most influential, audacious entrepreneurs that overcame challenges and adversity, providing you with the blueprint of how they sold their first million so you can grow your business exponentially.